Hello. Okay, today we're going to make some Play-Doh, and it's really super easy and a lot of fun for you and your family. You're going to start out with 1 cup of white flour, a half a cup of salt, 2 tablespoons cream of tartar. This is something you're going to find in the spice section. You'll need 1 tablespoon oil, 1 cup of water, and also food coloring. Okay, you're going to start out with mixing the first 4 ingredients in a pan. Add water and mix well. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, dough will become difficult to stir. It's going to form a big clump. Right then, what you're going to do is remove that from the stove and start kneading for about 5 minutes. Now, add food coloring during that kneading process. Play-Doh will keep for a long time if you store it in a covered plastic container or plastic sandwich bag.
And that's how we made Play-Doh today. Thank you for watching.